Hey, hello! My name is Mike, and I am here to give you some tips and tricks for being a great Simon Says caller, someone who runs the game of Simon Says. Alright, now I like to play with no eliminations, because getting eliminated is no fun, right? No one likes that walk of shame where you have to go, oh man, I made a mistake. And everyone gets to laugh at you and go, oh, I didn't make a mistake. No, we're not going to worry about that. So simply, if the people make a mistake, they have to say, oh man, or oh golly gee willikers, or some other strange, funny expression that you want to encourage them to practice. Okay, so that's my first rule. Second rule is there should be a starting time and a stopping time for Simon Says. It should start with Simon says, let's play. And the game should end with Simon says, game over. So that the players know exactly when they're starting and when they're stopping. Because you can play with that too. And there can be some good confusion. Okay, so let's talk about some of the easy tricks. One easy trick is just to simply misguide them. Say, Simon says, touch your shoulder. That's not my shoulder. This is my shoulder. Trick them, get them watching you, not listening to you, right? Touching the wrong parts of your body. Simon says, touch your head. Oh man, right? Another trick you can do is get them going between two actions very quickly, yeah? For example, the get in clapping position, stand normal. Simon says, get in clapping position. Simon says, stand normal. Simon says, get in clapping position. Simon says, stand normal. Simon says, get in clapping position. Stand normal. Yeah, fast. Boom, 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 boom. Didn't say Simon says. Another thing you can do is get them doing an action like walking, like clapping, like moving their arms, like waving their arms. And then you say, oh, stop, 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 stop. Yeah. Oh, that's a difficult one to disobey. Yeah? All right, another fun one is the hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. You can also do this with standing up, sitting down, standing up, sitting down. And I like to use gravity in my favor. And so you get them doing this, 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 and then you say, Simon says, hands down, and then you say, hands down, boom. And, it can make for a comic moment, especially with the sitting down. You get people halfway sitting down and then they see that their friends are not sitting down and whoa, they try to recover. A lot of fun. Now, another thing you can do is you can be very strict or you can be more lenient. Yeah. So if you want to be strict, even you can get them for flinching. If they do something like this or something like this and try to correct it, that counts as a mistake. Yeah? So you can decide how strict you want to be with your players. Okay, well, those are just some of my tricks for having a lot of fun with Simon Says. And see if you can challenge yourself to include new vocabulary, right? So we have sit up, sit down, stand up, we have wave, we have move, we have point, we have touch. What other verbs are there that you can think of? Yeah? Get into a position. Stand like this, normal, right? So there are a lot of great action verbs that you can use in your Simon Says. So make sure that the players are being exposed to all sorts of different vocabulary when you play. Of course, you can also do something very simple. With kids, you can say, do this. Simon says do this. Simon says do this. Simon says do this. Do this. Yeah, but of course, that's not a very rich vocabulary environment. So really try to expose them to a lot of different vocabulary, body parts, movements, and actions. Also, you can use slow, fast, faster. You can use this for comparatives. It's really a great game for exposing them to a lot of different English structures. Okay, great. Well, I hope this has helped you, and put in your comments all the fun things that you've done. And if you have any new ideas for other things that we can use in Simon Says, include them down here because I'd like to do a second video about even more tricks and tips for Simon Says. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. My name's Mike. Bye-bye.